ChatGPT, a name that most of you have already heard before. Breaking the news for enrolling over 1 million subscribers in less than 5 days, this might be the future of artificial intelligence. But today, you'll find 5 stocks that are actually better than ChatGPT with one special bonus stock at the end. Unfortunately, if you're looking to invest directly in artificial intelligence, well, that is not possible since there are no companies at the moment that are only focusing in that field, but most companies nowadays are investing indirectly in artificial intelligence to develop their own products, and it is what we're going to take a look at today. Starting with the first company, which is Nvidia with the ticker NVDA. If you're looking to invest in one of the largest companies that exploit AI, well, Nvidia should be on top of your list. At the moment, this company is a leader in the graphic chip sector, notably for cars and for computers. And it is why this company has taken advantage of the recent AI boom with its graphic cards that have now become the norm of the industry. This business offers many AI solutions to different sectors of the economy, going from the healthcare to the financial sector, with its products obviously being considered as some of the absolute best on the market.
Yeah, baby!
For example, their graphic processing units chips that are mainly used for rendering different video games. And with their recent partnership with the Chinese leader in the electric vehicle sector, NIO, they are trying to improve the driver assistant features as well as fully autonomous driving for electric vehicles. And despite a slight loss in their valuation because of the US ban of chips to China, it is worth noting that giants such as Meta and Google are currently using Nvidia's products. And with the recent rise of ChatGPT and other different AI tools, well, obviously the demand for specialized processors as well as graphic chips will increase in the near future. And with a current market capitalization of over $500 billion and some incredible growth in their past revenue, Nvidia is definitely in a great position to capture the future opportunities that will come in their ways for the future of AI projects. The second stock on my list is the C3.ai company with the ticker AI. If you're looking to invest directly in AI on the stock market, this must be your closest option. In fact, as you can see by its name, AI is the entire focus of this company. C3 is considered as a software as a service company, which means that it creates different software that allows company to launch different AI applications. With their numerous applications and tools, C3 is helping their different customers to accelerate its software development and obviously to reduce the cost and the risk. For example, the US aircraft is currently using C3 products, notably to predict aircraft system failures, identify the spare parts, and find new ways to increase mission capability. Pretty cool, isn't it? Well, C3 is actually the first big mover in this industry, which is giving them a great giant position in that field. And eventually, despite some big competitors such as Microsoft and Amazon coming in that field, well, with the position that they have already built, this should massively help them. And with the recent news about ChatGPT, this is another company that has gained some massive valuation and with some incredible growth in their past revenue despite their low and their small market capitalization of about $2 billion. Well, it is a company not to sleep on for the future years. Now for my third pick, I've went with the company Workday with the ticker WD AI. This company is the dream of every employer. In fact, this company is using AI to change the way that companies in the world are using human resources analytics. When you have a business, it can be hard to find where to do some different improvements and where to do some different cuts in your budget. And it is exactly where Workday enters in the game. Nowadays, many companies in the world are using Workday products and services to help them to make different data-based decisions, but also financial tools when it comes to planning for their staff. The objective behind it is obviously to help employers with their decision making, but also to reach and fulfill the full potential of the employees. This might be the future of human resources, and it could help a lot of different businesses in the near future. And with a great market capitalization of over $50 billion at the moment, combined with some great growth in their revenue over the last 3 years, well, it is a company that is quite interesting at the moment. But despite being considered as the future of human resources, we've recently seen that this company has been forced to cut about 3% of their total labor force. So you see that even with a strong algorithm with some different professionals, it is still not possible to predict the future. The next pick on my list is the Micron technology company with the ticker MU. This business is manufacturing memory chips that includes dynamic random access memory and NAND flash memory. But since most of their production is commodities, it makes that the supply and the demand will highly affect the price of those products. For example, in 2021, the demand for memory chips has been boosted by notably the growth of the 5G network, as well as the growth of the mobile networks and the cloud computing. Plus, the recent microchip shortage has had some pretty positive impact on this company, where it has lifted the demands for DRAM and NAND chips. In the future, we should continue to see an increase for the demand in those chips, notably with multiple projects in the AI sector such as the self-driving cars, which will obviously require a massive numbers of those products. Plus the different data centers that are running different AI process, as well as the newest smartphones are needing massive part of those chips. For example, all the newest iPhones are using AI with their camera movement, so they can be able to produce the best pictures as possible. And this company is well positioned in the market with a current market capitalization of about $60 billion. But with the nature of the business that is highly cyclical, well, it means that obviously it has a little bit more volatility compared to other companies. So if you're willing to take that risk, Micron could be a pretty good option for you. Finally, my last pick is the company Salesforce with the ticker CRM. This business is known for offering different cloud-based relationship management platforms that connect apps to bring companies and customers together. In fact, it is currently the #1 platform for customer relationship management, and on their side, the company leverage AI to ensure that the software smoothly manage the customer relationships. They also offer AI-powered information on marketing, sales, and service teams in every industry in which they are operating. Obviously, the main objectives of that is to increase the number of clients of a company by knowing what are the main concerns of those clients, and after use the marketing to increase the customer satisfaction. At the moment, it is quite a big company that currently worth slightly over $150 billion, and that has also seen some massive growth in their revenue over the last 3 years. So if you want to invest in a leader in the customer relationship management driven by the artificial intelligence, well, this company could be very interesting for you, especially knowing that for every businesses in the world, the customer satisfaction is often what makes the difference between a great company and a bad company. And so these kind of companies should continue to grow in the future. And finally, for my little bonus, I've decided to include all the tech giants that are actually using the AI in their different projects. First, we've recently seen that Microsoft wanted to invest massively into OpenAI in order to improve their search engine optimization, which is called Bing, to make some competition to Google. After, you obviously have Amazon that is using AI for different of their business. For example, to improve everything from the product recommendation that customers sees to the Alexa device that many of us have in our living rooms. Google has also been using AI in pretty much every aspect of their business lately, from filtering out spam emails to providing precise details on our photos. And they have also recently made some massive layoffs to double down on AI. And finally, you have a surprising pick, which is Tesla. In fact, Elon Musk's company recently started about using AI systems for quality control to have an automate system that would simplify the entire process. As you can see, the future looks very bright for the AI world, but if you want to see what are the best stocks that you can buy right now, check out the video that's gonna be right over here, and I will see you soon. Peace!